I love how I'm still under here.
You can't see. Oh, I'm trying to make a video.
Is my hair because the dog's like...
That was Mom.
Yeah, and she pulled my hair. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing in here?
Making a video if you enter the table. You can't see. My camera's not good.
I'll stick my head out. Okay, I'm gonna get out now.
Okay.
It's like being born.
The whole table's moving.
My tits.
Now it's the ass, the big part.
Yeah, that's how you do it.